In this video, you'll learn how to create a carousel for LinkedIn. Carousels are a fantastic way to engage your audience with multiple slides of content, making your posts more dynamic and interactive. So let's dive in and create a stunning carousel using Canva and LinkedIn. First, head over to canva.com. Canva is a powerful online design tool that's perfect for creating visually appealing graphics, including carousels. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already a user, simply log in to get started. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the Create button located at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of design options. In the search bar, type LinkedIn Carousel and select it from the drop-down menu. Canva will automatically set up your workspace with the correct dimensions for a LinkedIn carousel, which is crucial for ensuring your slides look great when uploaded. Now comes the fun part, designing your carousel. Use Canva's easy-to-use interface to add text, images, graphics, and more to each slide. Remember, the key to a successful carousel is to keep it visually engaging while conveying your message clearly. Consider using consistent fonts and colors across your slides to maintain a cohesive look. And don't forget to preview your design to make sure it flows nicely from one slide to the next. Once you've perfected your design, it's the time to share it. Navigate to the top right of the screen and click on Share. This will give you the option to download your carousel. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. You'll then need to select the file type. LinkedIn carousels are best uploaded as PDFs, so make sure to select PDF as your file type before hitting the download button. With your carousel saved to your computer, head over to linkedin.com. Log in, then navigate to your homepage. Here, you'll see the option to start a post. Click on this to begin uploading your carousel. In the post creation window, select Add Document. This feature allows you to upload multi-page PDFs, which is exactly what we need for a carousel. Next, choose the file you downloaded from Canva. Once it's uploaded, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your document. This is an important step because it's the first thing people will see when they view your carousel, so make it catchy and relevant. After entering the title, click Done. Finally, with everything in place, you're ready to share your creation with the LinkedIn community. Simply click Post, and your carousel will be live for all your connections to see, and there you have it. You've successfully created and posted a LinkedIn carousel. This simple guide should help you elevate your LinkedIn presence and engage your audience with eye-catching content. Thanks for watching and happy posting.